We decided to eat at the Patron Mexican Grill here in Humble, Texas. This is us walking in to the Patron Mexican Grill. It's off 1960.
$1.99 margarita. It's like a waiting room. Oh, they got some noodles? Oh, that's at brunch. There you go. Oh, they got a bar, but it's like this fat.
All right, this is the chips and salsa. Need some chips and salsa. And this is the menu. I'm gonna let you look through the menu. I'm gonna order this drink right here. But this is one of the longest menus I ever seen. They got everything here at the Patron Mexican Grill here off 1960, Humble, and 59. I'm just going through all the pages here quickly and just show you what they have. This is my drink I ordered. It was pretty good. I've had some better, but it was a pretty good drink. So what we're gonna order? We're gonna order the Tony's filet. So here it goes. The grilled fish topped with crawfish tails, shrimp. And after I had my drink, I had the michelada, a Corona michelada. This is our Tony's grill. We'll zoom in on it. Everything was good. We will be going back to this place again. So if you're over in this area, drop by and have a bite to eat at the Patron Mexican Grill. Have a great day. Thank you.